Welcome back to our channel. What if I told you there are animals out there that can survive even without their heads? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's very real, and these creatures are as fascinating as they are bizarre. Join me, dear viewers, as we unravel the mysteries of these headless wonders. Our journey begins with a creature often met with disgust, yet possessing an almost mythical resilience: the cockroach. These hardy insects can, astonishingly, survive for weeks without their heads. They possess a network of tiny openings called spiracles, dotting their bodies, allowing them to draw in air directly. Their circulatory system, unlike our own closed network, doesn't necessitate a heart for constant blood pressure. A simple, open system suffices to circulate their lifeblood. However, even the mighty cockroach has its limits. Without a head to drink, their time, though extended, is ultimately finite. So, while not truly immortal, the cockroach, even in its headless state, stands as a testament to nature's tenacious grip on life. From the resilient cockroach, we venture into the realm of reptiles, encountering a creature both mesmerizing and chilling: the snake. For hours after decapitation, a snake's body, including its severed head, can remain unnervingly active. This macabre dance of death is a consequence of the snake's unique physiology. Snakes possess a slower metabolism and highly reactive nerves, allowing their muscles and nerves to continue firing signals long after the brain is disconnected. The severed head can still bite with surprising force, even injecting venom if carelessly handled, so be wary, for the serpent, even in its final act, demands respect and caution. From the chilling persistence of the snake, we move to a creature whose life cycle is marked by a strange and somewhat gruesome ritual: the praying mantis. During copulation, the female mantis may devour the head of her mate. The male mantis, even in his headless state, can continue the mating process. This is possible because many of the mantis's motor functions are governed by clusters of nerve tissue, called ganglia, distributed throughout the body. Thus, the male mantis, even in his final moments, fulfills his biological imperative. The praying mantis, in its own strange way, reminds us that nature's ways are not always kind, but they are undeniably effective. Leaving behind the macabre world of the mantis, we now turn to a creature whose survival strategy borders on the miraculous: the flatworm. These unassuming creatures possess a remarkable ability that has captivated scientists for decades: the power of regeneration. Imagine a creature that can lose its head, only to regrow it, good as new. Cut a flatworm into pieces, and each piece can develop into a fully formed individual. This astounding feat stems from a unique type of cell found within their simple bodies: stem cells. These stem cells possess the remarkable ability to transform into any cell type required by the body. The flatworm holds the key to unlocking one of nature's greatest secrets: the secret to true regeneration. As we delve deeper into the animal kingdom, encountering creatures that seem to mock the fragility of life as we know it, it's important to pause and reflect on our own place within this grand tapestry of existence. We marvel at the cockroach's tenacity, the snake's chilling persistence, the mantis's strange sacrifice, and the flatworm's regenerative prowess. Yet we humans, with all our intellect and ingenuity, are but a heartbeat away from oblivion should we lose our heads. Our brains, the seat of our consciousness, are also our Achilles heel. We may not possess the cockroach's resilience or the flatworm's regenerative might, but we have something equally extraordinary: a consciousness that allows us to question, to wonder, to marvel at the world around us. Our final journey takes us to the vast expanse of the ocean, a realm teeming with life both familiar and utterly alien. It is here that we encounter a creature so extraordinary, so baffling in its life cycle, that it seems to hold the very concept of death at bay: the immortal jellyfish. When faced with adversity, this remarkable creature can revert back to an earlier stage of its life cycle, transforming itself from a mature medusa back into a youthful polyp. This process, known as transdifferentiation, is the biological equivalent of a butterfly reverting back into a caterpillar. The immortal jellyfish stands as a testament to nature's boundless creativity, a beacon of hope in a world where all things must eventually end. It reminds us that the boundaries of life and death are not always fixed, that even in the face of oblivion, there exists the potential for renewal. And there you have it, some of the most amazing and downright strange animals that can survive without their heads. From the scuttling cockroach to the pulsating jellyfish, these creatures remind us that life, in its many forms, is far more resilient and extraordinary than we often imagine. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing animal facts.